Okay guys, this is sound test number 3. I'm testing the sound of this, if it's good or not. Thought there will be some. Why no? Why no energy? Oh, because this is geo. Okay. Alright, this is sound test number 3. I'm testing how good is this setup for the sound this time. The audio is volume number 3, music 0, dialogue volume 1, sound effects volume 1. What's she looking at? She's looking at the flower. She looking at the flower. She likes the flower. Okay, take it. Alright, this is a sound test and also a tips of fighting. Fighting using Catalyst user, Lisa and Barbara. But I want to change. I want to change their weapon, because their weapon here is too high level, level 50, so the enemy easily get damage. Base level 40, element mastery no, level 33, level 23. Okay lah, element mastery no. Just use a normal weapon, Barbara. And then Lisa also, weapon level 50, trading taste of Dragon Slayer. Got to make it lower. What this one? MG recharge. Sini size okay lah. Or change. This size okay lah. So these are tips for Catalyst user. The fighting tips for easy fight without any damage. Without damage. I just started the opening the account for today. So we will fight the this commission. We can just go there. Go up here. So the tip is to zap with electric and water, and then change like this, and then change like this, like that. But there's another tips I will show, so you won't get damage. Maybe less damage. So first got to put in the Geo, and then you put in Lisa like this, because you have to block them using this. And then use Lisa to attack, and then Barbara to attack. This thing is disturbing. Wait, this thing is disturbing my tips. I will attack him first, kill him. Let him die, man. Okay, so this the tips actually. To put in like this, and then you change to the Catalyst user, and then change to Barbara. See how good it is? My level is too high.
I wonder.
make it lower level, and then artifact, it's just energy recharge. Oh, element mastery, no wonder lah. So I have to change this, remove one is enough lah. Okay, so no bonus. Okay, so this will be lowered attack, lower attack. We go to the next one. Next commission. Here you got 2 commission. Oh, I like this one. Go with Elamas to Heritage again. How is it going to be? Maybe we see. I like to attack the camp first before going to Elamas. Wow, still too strong. Wait, I change my Lisa is too strong. It's a problem with strong weapon. Remove everything lah. Oh, no wonder talent also high. Anyway, so we remove everything. Yeah, 0. So attack is low. 100 only attack. Come on. Okay. See, this is Ella. Ella is here. Where is Ella? So Ella is here. So I most probably she will go there. See, there's one villager waiting for her. What I want to do, I want to attack first. See, no damage. You can do like this, but no damage. Except for this big villager. Except for the big villager. And then you put another one. And then you can attack all you want. You get others catalyst user should be good also. Can attack the enemy. I put some more. Oh, sorry. Put here, and then we put another one on the other side. Okay, like this. I got 2 blocks. Wow, this guy damage both. Sorry, I'm doing a video. Damage. So that's the trick. Use a catalyst user. There's also another one. I have another one actually. I use these 2, Lisa and Baba, because they 2 are the free characters you can get. But I have another catalyst. I got Sucrose. I got this Yanfei. But Yanfei attack cannot go through the geo damage. So we get, but her charge attack can go through, so we just use her. Okay, it's like this. Oh, but her attack is too strong. Haha. Oh, I can attack this Chilichil. It's the good one. So go back to Elamas. Hi Ella. Don't start the Herschel. I just kill them. Let's go. Once she's there, I think the Helichers will come back live again. She said, don't hurt them. No, they're my friends. Ah, lah, mistake. Cannot make too near. Can make it a bit space. Nice. Okay. Then we make another. Let's kill them. Oh, there it is. So low level. I've done it. Ha 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 ha. Wasted. Oh, I can do now. Wait until next time. Next time again, we do the same. Ha 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 ha. Suspicious stick. Oh, I got free suspicious stick. Okay. So that's the tips. Okay. I will show another tip. We go to the camp. We go to the camp. I think this camp is good enough. Same thing. It's actually the same tip, but a bit different. Where you see a lot of you can see about the same attack because we're using the catalyst user. But the good thing is it can go through. No enemy here. Thought there will be enemy. So it can go through. And then they cannot attack us. Can go through the building. See. Can attack in the building. They cannot attack us. Okay. Wait. Oh, that was too far. Oh, it's already raining. No wonder they're all wet. So, okay, they see the enemy is inside. It's outside, but we are inside. Can attack like this, then the enemy die. Easy, easy. So one nice tips can do. I can show another one. Just now we do it again. Actually, my character is too high level for this this world level. This is only world level 1, adventure rank 25. But all my characters already level 50. That's why I'm too high level. Then my damage is too high, so I cannot show an attack with small damage. If you have a character with a low level, you can use them and then attack a lot, because good thing is they cannot attack you, but you can attack them. So low attack will be nice, because you're just killing them slowly. I want to attack this one first, so I can get the commission done. Okay, so now we do this. Oh, my character is using this sacrificial sword, so it can attack a lot. It can use the E damage a lot without cooldown. Just now you see, that's the E, but it's only 40% chance to get another E, another skill. Starball. Take some mushrooms. Anyway, I want to kill them already. Cannot. Who say cannot? Who say cannot? Die so. Okay. So how many commission I've done? Oh, another one, last one. Defeat all 8. It should be easy. Go here. Wait. To go diving. Oh, nice. Alright, so go ahead straight all the way. Actually, Catalyst user is also good, because they fast attack and then they can attack from far, so you get less damage. The only thing that can attack you is the arrows. The element resonance is so good, so they dying fast. See, I got this strategy. The guy can attack you. The big guy can attack. I kill the big guy. Oh. Boom. Fast killing, fast killing. Die. Boom. Boom. Put another one. Boom. Die. That's causing me problem. Okay. Easy. Easy kill, easy kill, easy kill. Okay, I done all my commission. So we're done with this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.